Hi Rico. I went for a picnic a few days ago with my family, so I thought I should make a video about it, and here we go. Here's a mini vlog. This place was really very beautiful, as you can see. We enjoyed a lot there, and those memories I will share with you right now. Here comes me. Oh my god, what I'm looking like. Oh, it was really a very sunny day. I'm liking this place a lot. That's my mom. That's my dad playing a new type of game I never heard of. I don't know what should I say about this game, but my dad didn't make it on that game. Here we are waiting for our food, and outside it was really hot. And we're having some chit chat. Here's my dad. हाय रिको, तो हम हिंदी क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
मैं तुम चिते और
গালি মারতে না, আমি বাঙালি, বাংলা বাদ দিয়ে হিন্দি বলতেছি। তারপরে আমার চ্যানেল হচ্ছে ইংলিশ, আমি ইংলিশ বাদ দিয়ে বাংলা হিন্দি দুইটাই চালাচ্ছি। বাহ, what a day, man. হ্যাঁ, হ্যালো রেকো। রেকো না রেকো? This place is really so beautiful. I'm loving it.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の dream
Ammo, hi. Hi. শাহরুখ খান, সালমান খান আর ওর নাম কি? নার্গিস আছে বাংলাদেশে।
সাহাল ছোটকু আহমেদ, শাহিন,
Look at that, that is my school and college. And by the time we went our home, it was already 1 a.m. of midnight. So this was it for our vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good time. Bye bye.